morning. I'm Carmel Garcia and I'm a student nurse from Olfu, Our Lady of Fatima. So we are doing a bed bath from our patients. So first we have to review the chart of the patient for any limitation physical activity and bring all the necessary equipment. And then perform an hand hygiene and then put on some gloves. Okay, so we have to identify the patient. All right, can you state me your full name and your date of birth?
Dana Garuda March 11.
Okay, can I check your ID band, please? All right, thank you. And then now so we have to close the curtain for any privacy. Okay, and then remove any socks that she has. So I'm just gonna pretend that I'll. Okay. All right. So assume that I'm gonna offer a bed bag to the patient. Okay. I'm just gonna put some bed bag for you if you needed to have to go. All right. Take it out. Okay. I'm assume that I will take out my gloves and do some hand hygiene. Okay. And I will adjust the bed in my comfortable height or position, so that way it's comfortable for me to work on. So put on the gloves, okay? And then lower the rail of the bed that we're working on. And then loosen some top the cover of the patient. So I'll pretend I'm just gonna take that out. Okay. So remove the patient gown and also cover it up with the bed mat. So we have to raise the rail, and then we have to get some water. So that way, we're raising the rail so that way it prevents for patient fall. Okay, put on the gloves if necessary, and then lay the towel across the patient. And then now we're gonna do some water and this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wipe the patient face from inner to outside. Okay. Okay. After that, wash it, rinse it again, and then do the neck. And after the neck, it's the ear. Okay. All right, now we're gonna work on the arm. So you just have to expose which one are you working on. So put some towel underneath so that way it protects the bed. Okay. And then you're just gonna do the wiping from your hand like right here. And then the armpit is the last part. And then rub a basin and then wash the hand. And I'm assuming I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. Okay. Now we're gonna do the chest part because she's a female. We're just gonna do the circular motion on the breast. And then after that, we're gonna do the navel part. Okay. So just expose the one that you're working on. And after that, we're just gonna do the leg portion. Okay. So also, we're just gonna put some towel to protect the bed. Okay. And then just expose the part that you're working on. And then wipe the area. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then now we're gonna do the peri area, which is we're gonna do the front to back. So it's the cleanest to dirtiest. Okay, and then we're gonna do the feet part. Okay, so from there you're gonna put the patient on the side position. Okay, go ahead and do the side position. So we're gonna do the back part. So I'm assume that I'm just gonna wash the back part and then pat it dry with the dry water. Dry towel. Okay, and then from there, we're just gonna do lastly, the buttocks area. Okay, and pat it dry. Okay, now while she's on the side, we're just gonna do the massage. We're just gonna do some lotion. So pretend we're just gonna do the lotion to her, and then just rub it at her back. Okay, now we're done on the back massage. We're just gonna put the patient in the comfortable position. Okay, and make sure that the patient is dry, and then change the gown. And then also put the patient in a comfortable position and put that rail up before you're leaving. And just clean the equipment, and then also take out your glove, wash your hands, and we are done for the bed bath and a massage. Okay, now we're gonna do the shampooing part with the patient. So we're gonna wash my hand and then put on gloves on, and then we're going to and then take out the pillow. Okay, have the patient lift their head. All right, go ahead. Okay, and then we're gonna put the covered and protect the bed from wetting. Okay, we're just gonna put this one. Okay. All right. Okay, so now we're just gonna cover the patient's eyes so it protects from that. Okay. Now we're just gonna get some warm water, and then also we're just gonna I'm gonna assume to wet the patient's hair. Okay. And then put the shampoo with the patient hair. Okay, shampoo. And then check for any lesion or any redness on her patient hair. Okay. And after you check, you just massage for a little bit. And then after that, we're just gonna rinse it. Rinse it well. And then after we rinse it, we're just gonna comb it and dry it with the hair dryer. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna assist the patient with the oral care. So the patient can't really do it by herself, so I can assist her. So now we have our toothbrush and a toothpaste. So we're just gonna do it like this. Okay, and then can you open your mouth, please? All right, and make sure to do the tongue as well. Okay, and then make sure that the patient is in sitting position. Okay, go ahead and gargle. Okay, now after that, you're just gonna wipe the patient's mouth and then help them with the dental floss. This is very important. So we're just gonna pretend that we're gonna do the dental floss with her. And then, again, gargle. So now we're done for helping the patient with the oral care.